sagging, bouncing, or uneven floors, standing water or high humidity, nasty odors, or dangerous mold. Crawl space problems don't get better with time, but they do get better when you call APS.
It's the Weather Xtreme video. This is the morning edition. This is for Wednesday, the 2nd of March. I'm James Spann. This delightful weather continues with a warming trend through the weekend, but things get active early next week. Let's check out the satellite image early this morning, and it's a very dry air mass, a northwest flow aloft, and pretty simple forecast in the short term. Another pretty cold morning. In fact, Gadsden's dropped down to 32. We got mid-30s for places like Anniston, Pelt City, Sylacauga, Cullman, but a big warm-up today. Will be in the 70s this afternoon. It's going to feel great. And again, remarkably quiet for early March. That's the watch warning map. Got a few winter weather advisories up north, and that's about it. Not a single thunderstorm expected across the country today. Same thing tomorrow. And then day 3 on Friday, maybe a rumble of thunder out west for parts of Colorado, Utah, and southern Wyoming. Let's go to the day 4 outlook. This is for Saturday. There's a chance of severe storms over parts of Missouri, Iowa, and Illinois. And then day 5, which is Sunday. SPC is defined a risk over much of Arkansas, but beyond that, no risk is defined for day 6, that's Monday. We'll take a look at that setup here in just a moment. Check the QPF, rain for the next 7 days. Numbers are increasing here as rain will be returning next week. Keep in mind, this is valid through Wednesday morning of next week. The amount's about 1 inch for the north, under 1 inch for the south. So model fans, let's go. Here's the GFS. This is the 06C run, valid today at 3. Northwest flow aloft, just gorgeous. Sunny, mid-70s today. Tomorrow's sunny with upper 70s likely. Friday, we'll be close to 80 with a sunny sky. Nice little summer preview, if you will. Saturday, as the weekend begins, again, we got the surface low near Omaha. That's the reason for the risk of severe storms over parts of Iowa, Missouri, and Illinois. But down here, the ridge holds. A warm day, partly sunny, highs around 80. And for us, the same thing on Sunday. Warm, dry, partially sunny. Thunderstorms off to the west. And again, in Arkansas, there could be a few severe storms on Sunday. And then Monday, we got a surface low that's north of Cincinnati with a trailing front down to Memphis. And there is some instability on Monday. The values are coming up. That's the surface-based Cape. And there will be some veering of the wind with altitude, and it might be a setup for strong storms, maybe severe. And again, this is Wednesday. We're talking about an event the following Monday. It's just too early to call specifics on this, but just be aware there could be a few strong, maybe severe storms on Monday with this feature. And now the GFS pushes the front all the way down to the Gulf Coast on Tuesday, which means we would be cooler and drier, with highs dropping in the low 60s. Other runs have stalled out the front, but we're getting good consistency in this idea from most of the global models now, so we're going to revert to a dry forecast on Tuesday. And this is a week from today, Wednesday the 9th, kind of an active southern stream there, but again, we're dry Wednesday of next week with lows in the 30s and highs in the low to mid-60s most likely, very close to average for this time of the year. So let's go out 10 days. This is Friday of next week, the 11th. Kind of a nasty look there. That's a long wave negative tilt trough. Deep surface low near Cincinnati with thunderstorms in South Alabama, sleet and ice in North Alabama. Just a kind of an outrageous look there. But the European says, yeah. And again, this is 10 days out, and we all know there's just not much skill in specific forecasting out here. But no doubt the weather should be more active out there toward mid-month. Rain for Birmingham off the European ensemble, the mean approaching 4 inches between now and the 16th of March. Here comes the warmth, highs around 80 by the weekend, and then back in the low to mid-60s for much of next week after Monday. And the latest CPC guidance in the house, this is for March 9th through March 15th. Temperatures for much of the western two-thirds of the country below average. Here, near, or maybe a little above average. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this morning. We'll have notes on the blog. The next video here by 3 o'clock this afternoon. If you can catch us this evening on ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.
Sagging, bouncing, or uneven floors? Call Alabama Professional Services. Standing water or high humidity? Call APS. Nasty odors or dangerous mold? Call APS. Critters, bugs, or other pests? That's right, call APS. It's a fact. Crawl space problems don't get better with time, but they do get better when you call APS. Call Alabama Professional Services today.